How you doing? How you like it?
It looks great.
Looks great?
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you again. Yep. Oh, I didn't meet you last time when I did the consultation. I met your the parents and the sister.
My cousin.
Your cousin, okay.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Because you saw all the...
Yeah, all that, yeah, it was dirty.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at that.
Look at that.
Wow.
Hey, what's up, guys? Happy Saturday. Today is March the 21st. We are out here in the Villa Rica, Douglasville, Georgia area. This is the residence of Mr. Marcus. He actually had me come out about 3 weeks ago and did a paid in-home consultation. Booked on the spot for today. He also hired my buddies Christian to move the furniture. They came out here this morning and moved the furniture. So I went and did a consultation this morning in Sandy Springs. She booked for next Friday. It's a 1,600 square foot screen recoat UV cure. She also is having Christendom to come out and move the furniture. And she said, Courtney, this is what happened when you go cheap. She said, I had a guy, he was my painting guy, but she said, I had him do the floors and he did a horrible job. So now, and she did her research. She knew about the UV cure. So she booked on the spot for next Friday. So far they gives us 3 jobs next week. So hopefully we get a few more, but I do have 4 consultations to do on Monday. So anyway, guys, let me show you what we got going today. All right, so it is a beautiful, beautiful day on this Saturday. We're in this nice community. Got a golf course back there as well, as you can see. So we got a pre-finished floor. It's one of those Bruce floors. We're not doing a screen or recoat. What we are doing is a wax removal. He said, yeah, Courtney, we've been putting some of that product on our floors, and the floors just look really dull because you can see the wax on it, and you'll see as we're cleaning it all through here. Now, one thing about this floor, guys, this is a solid floor, so which means it can be sanded, but it's a pre-finished floor, which means it was finished at the manufacturer. So all through here, guys, so I just got through spraying the foyer. So if you look really close, you might see all that. That's all wax on the floor. And then what happened is that wax softens up because it doesn't cure. Like, see those lines right there? It's wax on the floor. All right. So what I've already done is emulsified this foyer. And yep, I can feel all that wax on these floors. So me and T are going to start extracting the wax off the floor. Then we're going to clean the floor. Then we're going to buff it out. And then Christian will be coming back today to put the furniture back. See all this, guys, all wax on the floor. All right, let's go ahead and get this party started.
Truman. Truman.
Courtney Lee.
Let's go. Polish it. Truman get it. Yeah, we on this. Buff it, bring that shine back. Flow little new, yeah, rewind that. Polish it. Courtney Lee, yeah, you run this. Get it. Truman, get it. Wood flow glow, yeah, we did it. Pull up clean in the van, all right. Blue and yellow, yeah, the brand, all that. Walk in clean like, can you fist? I just smile like, yeah, watch this. Screen it down, then I code that. UV light, yeah, I flow that. Same day shine, can't touch that. Bring light bad, yeah, I coach that. 808 drops. Slow. Butterwood flows, bring the shine back. D-glow finish, yeah, define that. Scuff mark gone, yeah, erase that. Old to new, yeah, trace that. Courtney Lee, yeah, the man up. Good old way, got a plan up. From the grind to the brand up. Truman world, understand up. Buff it, budget. Truman get it, yeah, we own this. Buff it, bring that shine back. Flow little new, yeah, rewind that. Get it, Truman get it. Every job turn gold when we in it. fluffy, polish. Yeah, we with it. Courtney Lee, yeah, he did it. Oh, yeah.
Alright guys, look at these floors now. So again, these are pre-finished solid floors. These floors can be sanded, but they don't need to. What my client was telling me, he said, yeah man, my wife kept saying these floors are dirty and we need to get them done. So they found me on Google. Again, I came out here and did an in-home consultation, and look at these floors now. And the client loves, look at that guys. And this is dry, okay? This is dry, so we buffed it out with my buffer, turning it on high speed with a buffing pad. Look at that, look at that. Remove all the residue and the wax coating that was on this floor. Cleaned it, extracted, neutralized it, and then we buffed it out. Because again, these floors, especially these old Bruce floors, I could tell by looking at Bruce floors, but Bruce floors have some really high bevels, so they look wavy if you look at them from an angle. That's just the way they were made. And they also put these high gloss finishes on them as well. I mean, this is really a high, this is like beyond semi-gloss. So this is definitely a high gloss coating that is UV cured on this floor. Wow, look at that, guys. Look at that. Like you're walking on water. All right, guys, that's going to do it. We're about to head to Mableton, and also Christian. I gave Christian and them the word to come put the furniture back earlier, because it was going to come out between 4 and 6, but he said they'll be back about 3 o'clock. All right, guys, see you in the next one.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for watching.
Check it out.
Oh man, look amazing, dog. That's all I can say.
Thank you.
Oh, amazing, man.
Yes, sir.
So I know she's gonna be here. They on the way back now.
Perfect. And then Christian, they'll be back. He said they'll be here about 3:30 to put the furniture
cool.
back.
Yeah, that's cool. Whenever they come, it's cool.
All right.
Yeah, I'm off today, man.
Yes, sir.
It's whatever, man. Oh man, it looks great.
It look great? Yes, sir.
Yes,
I told you that's all you needed was to clean it. You didn't have to put nothing back on it.
Right.
Just clean it, remove all that wax off of it, and buff it out.
Man, that's what's up, man. I love it, man.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's a big difference.
Big difference. Yes, sir.
Oh man.
You can see that. You can see that shine now.
Yeah. It's like a new floor, to be honest.
Hey, that's what I want to hear.
That's what's